Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone for automation. Enable the app's required permissions so actions can run reliably. Next, install a trusted macro app and grant accessibility and battery exemption if prompted. Once done, open the app and create a new macro, then choose a simple trigger like app launch or a gesture. This gets the process moving immediately. Make sure to name the macro clearly. It helps later when you expand or debug steps. You now assemble the action sequence that performs the task. Add precise actions, taps, text inputs, swipes, and include short waits between them to match app response times. Use variables for dynamic values and add conditionals so the macro adapts if screens differ. Once you have a draft, run the macro step by step and observe. Tweak delays, coordinates, and retries until it runs smoothly. This incremental testing prevents cascading errors, and finish by setting how and when the macro runs, single, repeat, or scheduled, and enable persistence so it survives reboots. Export or back up the macro configuration and label it with a version so you can restore changes later. If the macro misbehaves, add simple logging or visual checks, increase waits, and use retries to handle flakiness. One key troubleshooting tip: if taps miss, increase delay and use image recognition or element selectors instead of fixed coordinates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.